painted the drawers in 2 coats of Anchor, but because the raised stencil is raised, I needed to pounce the brush to make sure to get into all those nooks and crannies because you don't want to miss anything. So for this method, a good solid paintbrush would be needed. If it's a cheapo brush, you might be losing some bristles because I really pounce the whole drawer. And then once I got in there with all the paint, then I would go in and I would smooth it out so it has a nice smooth finish. And I have to admit, once this black paint started going on to this raised stencil, I love it. I think it looks awesome. I continued with all 4 drawers, and these took 2 coats of Anchor as well.